Okay, what's going on, everybody? What's up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Coming at you with a viewer request on AGIX. Okay, AGIX. This is the SingularityNET token. Man, what a massive explosion! I mean, geez, crypto has been rallying across the market, and certain altcoins, such as this, have been really just exploding. Right, up 457% from the lows to its most recent highs. We're going to see if it can continue that momentum and look to see if there's any signals or warning signs, what to watch out for and the things that we need to pay attention to. Okay, so make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And the first thing that I want to highlight is going to be down here on the RSI. Okay, so if we take a look, we are overbought. We are very overbought. Above 70 on the RSI, which is this dotted line right here, is the technical definition of overbought. So, it would make sense if we do get some type of a pullback. We have pulled back already from the recent highs, a good amount, okay? And what I've got over here are three major retracement levels: the 38.2, 50%, and 61.8, right? Meaning this move up, if we come down all the way down even to 12 cents, that's still a healthy retracement for a move continuing up higher to our bullish price targets we have up here of about 30 cents and very close to 35 cents. So if we hold these retracement levels and we continue to push higher, we do have a good chance of hitting those price targets. But we have to keep in mind, if we break through these levels, right, and if we're not able to really, hold them as support and we end up breaking through them, then that's going to be a sign that we could be getting a reversal back down to its previous lows. Let's look at what it's done in the past a few times, right? Over here, exploded, right? And then shortly afterwards, reverses. Over here, we see a massive explosion, and then shortly afterward, it reverses, right? Over here, we see a huge explosion, and then shortly afterwards, it reverses. So, the trend is your friend. Patterns are your friend, right? And so, just because this thing has exploded doesn't mean that it can't reverse, but that doesn't mean that it has to reverse, right? Just because it's done that in the past doesn't mean it has to, okay? And just because we're overbought down here on the RSI doesn't mean that we can't go higher, right? We can get some type of a pullback to bring this down to a reasonable level and still hold our major retracement levels to continue heading up higher. All right, so specifically, you want to watch out for 17.17475, 0.14983, and 0.12492. Those are going to be our three major support levels that we need to hold and need to stay above, so that way we can get this push up higher. Nothing moves in a straight line up and nothing moves in a straight line down. You get a move up, you get a retracement, and then you get a continuation higher, or you get a move down, a retracement, and a continuation lower. Once you break those retracement levels, that's when you can spot a potential reversal. Now, let's take a look at the MACD and zoom in on the MACD real quick. And what you're going to look for on the MACD is going to be a sell signal as well, right? So if you get a sell signal, that's going to be when this red line crosses below this white line right here, okay? That's a sell signal. If you look over here, right, we see, it shoots up above and then down it comes, right? The red line crosses down below, and eventually we come down and make some new lows on the chart. So that's something that we want to pay attention to and just be cautious of. For now, it's looking great. We've got great momentum. It's really rallying very impressively. And if we can keep this red line above the white line on the MACD, then things are still going to look good, right? We just really need to be cautious of, if we get a red line cross below that white line, that's going to be a MACD sell signal and could be a sign that the momentum is dying off and we're heading down lower. But as I said, this thing is looking great right now. It's still holding those three major support levels. So as long as we do that, we have a chance of continuing up higher for a healthy retracement move up. Again, we are overbought. But, just if we pull back, it makes sense if we pull back, right? We just rallied over 400%. So some type of a pullback is needed. We've already had a decent pullback. And, is that pullback going to be enough, right? Or does it need to come down more to really get a push up higher? So it's going to be interesting to see what happens, how this develops, how this plays out. We see right now it's trying to push up higher. It's still fighting. We're currently above our 38.2 retracement level, which is 0.17475. That's the level that we really need to stay above. And below there, I gave you guys the other two support levels. But if we can continue to hold these and maintain these, we do have a good chance of coming up here and hitting 30 cents and also 0.34909, basically 35 cents. So going to be really interesting to see what happens. None of this video is financial advice, but if you do like these videos and you like these style of videos where I give you some, informative things and teach you a little bit about these strategies, and you want to see your token, your cryptocurrency in the next video, all you've got to do is comment down below and I'll be happy to make a video on it for you as soon as I can. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you, and I think you'll enjoy one of these next videos as well.